We start with printing the main part, the frame. For this part, I'm using a slicer feature called Fuzzy Skin. In my case, I use the slicer Creality Print 7.1. Similar features also exist in other slicers, often called fuzzy skin, phase skin, or surface texture, depending on the software. If you're using Creality Print, make sure to use version 7.1 or newer. This is the version where the option to apply fuzzy skin only to selected areas was introduced. Instead of covering the entire model with this texture, you can now paint it onto specific parts. You can apply it manually with a brush, but the best approach is to select a logically defined surface and apply the texture to the whole area. The only settings I change from default are fuzzy skin point distance set to 0.5 and fuzzy skin thickness set to 0.2. You can see the fuzzy skin settings on screen in this part of the video. Straighten a piece of filament as much as possible, then insert it into the magazine catch pin slot, ensuring it passes through both the outer and inner holes. This will create a bridge that secures the magazine catch in place. Insert the spring into the trigger, first heating the tip with a lighter. It will easily melt into the plastic and stay securely in place.